what's up guys? It's your girl Susie here and I'm back with another video. Today is going to be a special edition to my country, Namibia. It is the 29th year of independence for Namibia, and today I'm going to do a makeup eye look with our country's flag colors. That will be including red, blue, green, yellow and a little bit of white. So I have planned a lot of ideas and stuff, but I have not actually tested it out or tried it, so this is going to be a first try. So I hope I will succeed. I do not have very pigmented makeup. The makeup I have is more like metallic, so that is not actually going to work for this look. But I'm going to improvise and I am going to use cream paints. I hope this will work. I've used this for Halloween makeup, so it'll probably work for normal makeup as well. So yeah, Namibia's flag colors are as following. The red color represents Namibia's first and most important resources, its people. It refers to their heroism and their determination to build a future of equal opportunity for all. Then the white stripes, they refer to peace and unity. The green refers to vegetation and agricultural resources. The blue represents the clear sky and the Atlantic Ocean of Namibia. And then the golden sun represents life and energy. So that is what the Namibian flag colors represents. I am going to use that colors for my eyeshadow. I'm super excited. I am not one for much politics and stuff, so I don't really know the whole, tutti about Namibian independence, but I just know it's the 21st of March, it's a public holiday on that day, and it falls on a Thursday this year, so we're going to have a little vacation day on Thursday. So yeah, that's why I decided I really want to do a video, because YouTube, and why not represent my country with a creative way like makeup. So let us begin with the look. Firstly, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm still a little bit nervous about the fact that I'm going to use cream paints or face paints, that is. But we're going to try. I'm a creative person, so I'm sure I'll be able to wing this. So let us begin. Okay, so I was thinking about doing a blue shade in the corner, the outer corner, and then going into red, and then green and yellow. I think blue and red is going to blend the most well, I can say. Or I'm not sure if I want to make it blue, green, red, yellow. Maybe I should do that, because I think red transitions better from to yellow. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. See, I'm already changing my mind and I have not even begun. So I'm going in with my little face paint palette and I will be taking this blue. So nervous. Okay. Whew. I just wanna swatch that. Oh, there is a lot of black on this brush. Do I wash my brushes? No, I don't. So I'll just clean it with a wet wipe. Why is there so many color on this brush? I'm gonna clean it. Intense. It's the first time I'm doing cream paints on my eyes, but it's going well so far. Just hope I'll do the other eye the same. So the green is in the middle now, so I'm taking the red and I'm just placing that right beside the green, really lightly tapping it. And I know it's looking a little bit like whoa at first, but obviously there is a lot of blending required, so that is still going to happen. So now for blending. Firstly, I'm going to try and take this palette and basically just, you know, puff on some powder, like powder pigments, because yeah, I'm pretty scared that I'm gonna blend and it's going to ruin the whole look, if you catch my drift. So I hope it's not going to like screw up the whole look, but if it does, this is what it was supposed to be looking like, sort of, with a blend. Just imagine a blend. But okay, I'm going to try. So I'm going to start with the lightest color first, because I have seen that it is a bit difficult to transition from dark to light. So I'm going to start with yellow. Ooh, look at that gold! Oh my goodness me! Whoa! Oh, if this is going to turn out how I think it's going to turn out, this is going to be one hell of a beautiful look. I don't really have a red, so I'm going to take a pinkish color and just put that on top. And it looks pretty like a red to me. Well, at least in person. I don't know what it looks on the viewfinder because I can't see there because I don't have my glasses on. But it looks pretty okay. It actually looks freaking awesome. I never had like a colorful look like this on my eyes. So, OMG! Wow, that's so pretty. Okay, so what's next? Green. Green.
Namibia land of the brave, freedom flights we have won. Glory to their bravery, whose black torches our freedom. Giving power, love, and loyalty, together we may see. Contrasting beautiful Namibia, Namibia, our country.
Wow, I really think that looks stunningly beautiful. Well, that's what I think. I don't really know. I don't really know if it is that beautiful, but that's what I think. It's really different. It's not what I'm used to, and that is basically what is so making it love it. So I am just going to put some white in my inner corner. Wow, that's so beautiful. Oh my goodness me. Wow, I've never been so impressed with a winged look. Well, technically it was not a winged look. I've been planning this like for a week, but still I have not yet done the look on my face before. So I think I could just use a wee more blending. Now, what I really want to do is I want to create a white winged liner. I have tried my white pencil on my hand and it is pretty pigmented. That's a nice white we got going there, but will it work with this look? I think it will. Just one problem. I'm scared to ruin this whole look, and then I have I've done this like for nothing. So I'm gonna do my lips, and then I am going to contemplate whether I want to do that and potentially ruin the look or not. So let's go to the lips. Guys, so I finally decided I am going to do the white liner, and it took me probably in half an hour to remove tiny bit by bit the makeup and put on a white liner. But I think it just like completes the look. I am in love with it. It just brings that unity and peace color into the whole flag look. So yeah, last step is mascara, and then we are done with my Namibian flag colored look. This is the complete look. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and remember to give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. Remember to ring that bell if you want a notification every time I upload a video, usually Fridays, if not Fridays, Mondays. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.